Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Play, Live, Repeat, and I am in the Playmobil booth at New York Toy Fair 2020. Let's start with Scooby Doo figures and playsets. The new movie Scoob is slated to open this year with lots of fanfare. Playmobil introduced this line in early 2020 with 2 sets and a blind bag collection. The Mystery Machine and a character 3-pack featuring Scooby, Shaggy, and a villain, plus 12 blind bags with 12 different ghosts to hunt. Coming out in August 2020 will be the Adventures in the Mystery Mansion, a full-line playset, Adventures in the Wild West, Adventures in the Witch's Cauldron, Adventures in the Cemetery, and Adventures in Egypt, along with Dinner with Shaggy. Moving on to Ever Dreamers, a whole new way to play and collect Playmobil. Check out that cool surprise box. It's a magical amulet unlocking the world of Ever Dreamers. With secret compartments with mystery figures, accessories, and jewelry, you can even return the toys back to the box for easy storage after playtime is over. Ever Dreamers are a group of 5 best friends that travel to magical realms. They face their fears and have loads of fun. Inside the magical amulet, you can reveal 7 surprises with a different theme. I just love the comic book world theme. This may go back in time with my all-time favorite film, Back to the Future, that is celebrating 35 years this year. We have Marty McFly, Doc, and even Einstein joining in the star of this release, the DeLorean, with exceptional detailing right down to the last gigawatt. Your imagination doesn't need roads for this open-ended play, and with that, the wheels even rotate in at 90 degrees to fly off into part 2. This is the perfect toy for parents and kids to bond over as it soaks up all of the feels for fans, especially me. It would be sweet if it came with a lenticular photo of Marty and his brother and sister. Just saying. Sharp fans will notice the scene is taken right out of the first movie, the iconic scene at Twin Pines Mall, where they are doing their experiment before they were rudely interrupted. You see the camcorder, the skateboard, and even the box of plutonium. Also coming out is the 1955 figure set featuring Marty and Dr. Emmett Brown in period clothes from the film. Notice Marty's outfit straight out of the film during the Enchantment Under the Sea dance when Marty takes over and sings Johnny Be Good. Doc Brown even has the newspaper marking his fate. Playmobil brings the world of construction to life with a versatile line of machines that takes the imagination to new heights. The crane is remote control powered and can hoist heavy materials. Each of the playsets works together to create the ultimate construction site. All of these awesome sets come out this August 2020. Playmobil builders and skit creators will love the new hospital that includes miniature playsets and patients to fill the hospital up. You can also get a separate hospital wing to add on, thus creating the perfect backdrop to your Playmobil stories. There will be new healthcare professionals like radiologists, physical therapists, eye doctors, and dentists added to the line. All of these sets will be out in August 2020. The new take-along box sets feature different scenes and themes for Playmobil Fun on the Go. There is something for everyone in this collection, including the littlest fans of 18 months to pop culture fans that will enjoy the Ghostbuster sets. These sets will be out in August 2020. Already out now are Playmobil 1, 2, 3 sets for 18 months and older, featuring cute sets that push the imagination with a children's playground, airplane, construction truck with garage, and more. Out now and perfect for summer, and even to fill those Easter baskets, are the sand drilling rig and spring flower bucket. Playmobil has new advent calendars for the holidays coming out too that are great gifts because they include lots of accessories and figures. Let me know your favorites in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me, and all that jazz. Thank you so much to Playmobil for the great tour at New York Toy Fair. Thanks for watching and have a great day.